Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create price alerts on the Libertex trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Libertex trading app on your device, and after you have logged in using your credentials, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can check out all of the markets. Now, if you wish to set a price alert for any commodity, then in order to do so, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. Then from this page, scroll down and underneath settings, you will see notification. Go ahead and tap on it. And now within the notifications tab, you will find price alerts. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on the toggle to enable it. You can now create your price alert. Tap on the create button and then choose whichever commodity you want to set up alert for. Once you have chosen your desired commodity, you can set the price at value, which will alert you when the price reaches the amount that you have entered. Alternatively, you can also enable the percentage change option. If you enable this, then you will get a notification whenever the price changes by your entered percentage. So just choose whichever option you would like to go with. And once you are done, you can tap on the create new price alert option. And once the alert has been created, you will get a notification upon the percentage increase or the figure that you have set. And you can set price alerts for multiple commodities at once. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a price alert on the Libertex trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.